Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with day 20 of the 24 days of Secret Santa Swap hosted by Scrappy Tate. And we have 5 more days to open. Today's one of the 5 days. So let's see, day 20, this is our gift for day 20. How cute, she put this Merry Christmas here in the front. And then, how cute is this little paperclip, clothespin, nice and pink. And then she's added these cute little tags with some twine. So let's see if we can remove that. And then she's also added this spray of pine cones and berries. And this is day 20. Day 20. Oh, how cute! So she gifted me more Halloween. Look at how pretty! Those flowers! Oh, yes! So look at these cute little foamy felt. Yeah, I think felt sticker jack-o'-lanterns, but look at these flowers. Yes, girl, I love these layered flowers. Oh, yes. Thank you so much. Look at how beautiful. Thank you, Secret Santa. I appreciate them. They will go in my stash so I can project with them next year. Thank you so much. So that was day 20. Hope you guys are having a crafty day. Stick around tomorrow for day 21 to see what my Secret Santa has blessed me with. Hope you guys are having a crafty day. Until my next video, shakas.